If California will be a country by itself, it will be the fifth economy in the world. Think about that. There's so much to offer, and now we're here to help. Food and beverage industry is big here, and in my opinion at least, is underserved here in California from the engineering services providers standpoint. Here at Foth, we're now closing the gap. We work with the best brands in the food and beverage industry. Our clients here in California are, for example, the almond growers in Sacramento area or in the Modesto area. The wine making here in Modesto, in Napa. We have clients in the Central Valley doing mandarins and pistachios.
There's so much food grown here and a lot of factories, manufacturing facilities with food.
There's a ton of them in the valley that are 80, 90 years old. It's really cool working for something that's been around that long.
The challenges we're having in California, obviously, trying to get products to customers faster and developing packaging lines that help do that. Focus of ours is just getting that uptime higher and the speed of getting to the customer higher.
Automation is definitely making a big change in the way things happen in business and in the fruit and vegetable and beverage industries as well. And we do a lot of that at Foth.
Food's kind of like a universal language. It's just something everyone kind of understands and enjoys, so it's rewarding to be a part of that community.